Do your employees or customers regularly read energy consumption meters? This will remain so for the years to come, because there's a huge stock of unconnected electricity, gas or water meters that have to be read regularly on site. Many manual reading methods are outdated, time-consuming and error-prone. With Pixometer, this is now much easier and faster. The app recognizes the meter via the barcode scan, then the meter reading is immediately scanned. The meter reading is read out loud by the smartphone,
12,710.05.
and in addition, photographic evidence is automatically taken. If necessary, the camera light can be switched on. Pixometer automatically recognizes all common types of meters with mechanical and digital display and works completely offline. With the Pixometer Scan-SDK in your professional reading app, you perform readings faster, with better quality, lowering your meter reading-related processing costs. With the Pixometer Scan-SDK in your self-service app, you gain more active users, receive better ratings and increase customer satisfaction and loyalty. Do you already have an app or are planning to develop one? The Pixometer SDK can be easily integrated into all iOS and Android-based apps. Just get in touch for more information.